How to find your Google or Gmail account creation date on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open your web browser and search for Google Takeout. Then, tap the official Google Takeout website and sign into your Google account if you're prompted. Once you're on the Google Takeout page, tap Deselect All near the top of the list. Next, check only the box next to Access Log Activity. After that, continue scrolling to the bottom of the page and tap Next Step. Now, leave the default export settings as they are, or change them if you prefer. Then, scroll down and tap Create Export. Google will begin preparing your export. Depending on the size of your account data, this process may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You'll receive an email once your export is ready to download. After you receive the email, download the export file and open it. Inside the exported data, you'll find your activity. The earliest recorded activity is a good indication of when your Google or Gmail account was originally created. And that's it. That's how you can find your Google or Gmail account creation date on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.